Human beings have always been associated with adventure, always wanting to explore, discover, and achieve things that seem impossible at first. These vary from wanting to invent something new, to discovering new elements, and to reaching what is beyond our planet, the planet Earth. Only some of the remarkable accomplishments and groundbreaking firsts of humans in relation to outer space are the following. In 1961, Yuri Gagarin, a Soviet cosmonaut, was able to travel in space and was the first ever man to be able to do so. This first adventure into the unknown opened the doors for millions of possibilities and was followed by more remarkable firsts. On July 20, 1969, one of the biggest achievements of NASA happened when Neil Armstrong was able to set foot on the moon. He was the first man and astronaut to be able to do so. Also, in 1997, NASA was able to send the very first spacecraft to another planet, Mars. NASA's Mars rover named Sojourner weighs 23 pounds with a 0.02 miles per hour top speed. And despite its small size compared to other types of Mars rover, enabled NASA to know more about the planet Mars. Now, the exploration and adventure continue as NASA now aims to bring the first human to the surface of Mars and see what is left to be discovered for him to share with the people here on Earth. This may sound surreal or impossible, but here is how they plan to do it. The first step is to establish a permanent and advanced presence on the moon, since traveling from the moon to Mars will be a lot easier and faster compared to traveling from Earth directly to Mars. This is true given the fact that Earth is around 150 million miles away from Mars, which will take around 500 days to complete a one-round trip. This is the same reason why the Project Artemis of NASA aims to discover how life can be sustained on the moon. Now, going from the moon to the Mars, there is first a need for one or more supply drops to ensure that the needs of the astronauts to survive on the planet will be given and sustained. This is also one of the tasks of Artemis 10, which will deliver a payload called Mars Cargo Stage 1 to lunar orbit. This will be followed by Artemis 11 and Artemis 12 with their own importance in making the goal of bringing humans to Mars possible. The question now is, when will this happen? Both former presidents Barack Obama and Donald Trump had the same goal, to send humans to Mars by 2033. However, NASA Administrator Bill Nelson said that the agency's plan is to have humans walk on Mars by 2040. With this, what we can do for now is to wait and hope for the best. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to press like, subscribe, and the notification bell.